Hey, what's up everybody? I want to show you what my day is like. I'm doing a tune-up day. That means I'm going to be working on checking to make sure things are right before someone moves in, and also working on that 20% that takes 80% of the time, those details. I'm going to be working on that for my furnished rentals. I'm going to bring you along. Okay, so I'm here at this unit here. It's one of my first ones. It's a small one bed, one bath, and I'm noticing a lot of details like a loose handle that needs to be tightened up. I got a mirror decoration that's fallen, and there are just some small things like I'm missing a parking permit. I need to go check that out. It's really important to check all pots and pans from time to time to see how much stuff was left over. See, this is good and this is well stocked. I just have to check, take out the older ones that are scratched up. So we've been collecting them over the time. I'll go through them and see what else. Also, we got a sticky handle. That's not good. If you have a unit that's been in operation for a number of years, like this one's been about 4 years, it's going to collect some things, and you're going to need to do a detailed inspection on just quality control and also figuring out what you need to replace. I was surprised at my microwave. It looked good on the outside, but on the inside it's got crusty stuff and it's got some damaged spots, so I need to replace my microwave as well. I wouldn't have known that if I didn't come in. Also, this is an older unit. We use a portable air conditioner in the bedroom, and it needs to have its filters washed out every once in a while. Look how bad these are. It wasn't breathing too well, so I'm gonna wash these out. So I opened that closet on my way out just to check, and I found all this stuff left over from previous travelers. I don't even know what those things are. Oh, well, finally done. It took me about a couple hours to get everything done, and 3 trips up and down to the dumpster. I noticed the CO2 detector was broken, so I replaced that. Tightening knobs and undoing stuff from all the years. I finally got it done. But needless to say, the details need to get done. And when you're refreshing your unit, just give yourself a day. Okay, I hope that helps.